Hi, I'm Chloe and I'm going to be making cheese pretzel broomsticks. I already have so many, but I'm just going to make one extra. You cut half of mozzarella cheese and then you cut off some strips of the cheese, but you don't cut it off completely. Another way you can do this is that you can put on a pretzel and then roll it over, but I would suggest rolling it separate. So I'm just gonna roll it. Some pieces might be cutting off, but it shouldn't be too hard. I would squeeze the top a little. Then I would stick a pretzel stick inside the cheese. I press it more. I take a leek strip and then I lightly tie it up. And then I cut off the excess. This is what the cheese broom should turn out to be. They're really delicious. Thanks for watching.